Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, my name is Nur Iman Akila binti Muhammad Bakran. My metric number is 141495. Okay, today I want to present my module which is about okay. My module is about history subject which is Form 2. I'm choosing Form 2 because I think at the age of 40, the student will suitable for my game. Okay, and then the term is National Heritage about Malacca Sultan as the basic of the present government. Okay, the title actually is about Malacca Sultan. Okay, the duration for my PNP is about 5 minutes for induction, 20 minutes for activity 1, and for activity 2 is for 30 minutes, and for closing is 5 minutes. Okay, the total duration is 1 hours. Okay, for the induction, I will show some picture of Malacca nowadays, and I'm trying to make two ways of communication, which is I will ask the student who have ever been to Malacca or who like to go to Malacca, and then I will give a Mentimeter link to them to fill up and to know their knowledge about who's the pengasas of Kesultanan Melayu Melaka. And then I will play a video about history of Malacca. I'm taking the video from the YouTube. Okay, next, the activity 1. Okay, the activity that I have planned is about the Golden of Malacca. I'm trying to make some traditional and some modern combined in a game. So yes, the game is played like, first of all, the student will divide into two groups, which has 12 members. Okay. The head is asked to go ahead to get a mini pirate box from the teacher. Okay, mini pirate box is like that. Okay. And then the group leader is asked to put a pirate state on his barrel and then make sure each members will get a small sword. Okay, and then the students are asked to line up in a row and take a turn to stab the mini sword into their barrels. Just like this. Okay. When someone has put out the sword and the pirate go out, and he or she will be chosen to answer the question and to represent their group. Okay, I'm using word wall. There are 20 questions, but each sword that they already had has a number behind it. So the number is based on the number behind the sword. Okay, just like what in my slide, the picture is example like siapakah pengasas kerajaan Melaka. So the student should be answer it quickly and correctly. Okay, for my second activity is about walk to the dawn of Malacca. Okay. How to play? Okay, first of all, the student will be divided into 4 groups. Each group has 6 members because the total of the class in my RPH is 24. So each group has 6 members. Okay, and then the group leader selected by the group members will be gathered in front and will press the spinner button to determine the fall factor. Okay, and then they will sit on the one circle, and the leader will get in front again to get a thing like mahjong paper, a set of color pens, a sticky notebook, and a colored paper. Okay, a sticky notebook is for their comment. The student will, from the other group, can comment the others using the sticky note. Okay. Then students are given 20 minutes to complete all the information that need to be written on the mahjong paper. Actually, it's all about the factor of the Port of Melaka to achieve hasil pembelajaran, which is number 3. Objektif pembelajaran. Okay. I'm using a timer bowl, which is I got it online. Okay, and then I will set it 20 minutes for them to finish up the all information in the mahjong paper, and then when the bomb is put up, so the time is up, and then the teacher will instruct the group leader to pass in each corner of the class, to tape at the corner of the class, and each group member is asked to be at the station and to ready to receive an instruction from the teacher. Okay, the teacher, which is will give 8 minutes for student to get to each station in group and give a comment. Like I said before, they will put a comment on a sticky note and stick it on the mahjong paper that their friend already done. Okay, and then like I said before, I'm using bomb again to set 8 minutes, and then I will set when the bomb is put up, and then I will give 2 minutes to them to finish up and to clean up the all the things and put it on my table back. Okay, and then just I like this is just the random perjalanan aktiviti kedua nanti. Okay, for the closing, I'm choosing penugahan, which is reinforcement, which is the positive reinforcement. Iaitu I will give some reward to the student, which is already win in activity 1 and get prizes also for the activity 2, which is the group that produce an interesting mind map and complete all the information needed. Actually, I will give them some prize also. Okay, and then for the assessment, I will give a QR code, which is they will scan it and at home and answer the question. Okay, the question is in a Google form, as you can see in my slide. Okay, and the student will be given 2 days to finish up that. It's a long time, so there is no reason for them to not finish it. Okay, this is my lesson plan. My lesson plan is in Bahasa Malaysia. Okay, it's about Sejarah Tingkatan 2. It's on 26 April 2021, which is Form 2 Orchid, and the student is 24. As I said before, okay, the objective pembelajaran is when the PNP ended, so the student will get pelajar dapat mengetahui sejarah Kesultanan Melayu Melaka. Pelajar dapat menyatakan sekurang-kurangnya 3 faktor kegemilangan Melaka. Pelajar dapat menyatakan sekurang-kurangnya 3 faktor berakhirnya pemerintahan Kesultanan Melayu Melaka, dan juga pelajar dapat membuat penilaian terhadap Kesultanan Melayu Melaka. Oh, not before. At the I'm still forget about closing. About the closing, I will randomly choose a student, which is anybody will be selected, and to I want to hear their summarize about their what have they been learned at that day. Okay, this is my assignment. That's name, their class name, and the scan QR code. Okay, this is I'm showing you that I'm doing that. The board for activity 1. Quite long for now. Okay. I think that's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears. Good night, good afternoon, good